सो हेलो CUET UG 2025 एस्पायरेंट्स, CUET डेली जीके डोज। मुझे पता आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम चल रहे हैं, बट वेरी स्मॉल सेशन वेयर इन वी विल डिस्कस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ बेस्ड क्विज क्वेश्चंस फॉर जनरल नॉलेज एंड करंट अफेयर्स। ठीक है ना, फटाफट जल्दी से काम खत्म कर लेंगे आज, आपका ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाऊंगा मैं। ठीक है, ओके। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द थीम फॉर वर्ल्ड रेडियो डे 2025? Theme for World Radio Day. So radio, the voice of the future, radio and climate change, radio for peace and security, digital transformation and radio. So the answer to this will be B option, radio and climate change. जल्दी से क्वेश्चंस करेंगे, कोई टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे। Which Hollywood actor received the Grand Medaille Award from the Aero Club de France in 2025 for contributions to aviation? Is it Brad Pitt? Is it Johnson, Leonardo DiCaprio or Tom Cruise? Yes. What's the answer? Yes, what's the answer to this? The answer is Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise, yes. What is the theme for World Pulses Day 2025? Is it Pulses, the future of sustainable agriculture? Pulses, bringing diversity to agri-food systems? Or C or D? What's the right answer? Yes, come on. Yes, the answer to this is B option. Pulses, bringing diversity to agri-food systems. ठीक है? What is the new name of the Hindustan jet trainer HJT-36 after its recent upgrade? Is it Trishul, Tejas, Rudra, Yashas? What's the answer to this? The answer is D option, Yashas. देखो जल्दी से हम क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि मुझे पता है आपके एग्जाम्स हैं, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स हैं। Okay, what is the primary objective of the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor ITER project? So, what's the answer? Is it A, B, C or D? Yes, the answer to this is D option, to create self-sustaining fusion reactions for future energy applications. ठीक है, for future energy applications. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं। Which Indian institute collaborated with ISRO to develop the IRIS semiconductor chip for space applications? So important semiconductor chip, the answer to this would be A option, IIT Madras. Which state hosted the 38th National Games 2025 in India? Is it Meghalaya, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand or Gujarat? So answer to this would be Uttarakhand. Which country will host the first ever Olympic esports games in 2027? US, Japan, Saudi Arabia or South Korea? What is the right answer to this? First ever Olympic esports games in 2027. So answer to this would be C, Saudi Arabia, right? Which city was designated as the European gateway for the India Middle East Europe Corridor, IMEC? India Middle East Europe Corridor. So answer to this would be B, Marseille, right? Okay, next. Who authored the book The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts? Is it Gopi Chand P. Hinduja, Arun Shourie, Ritvik Singh or Geetika Leader? So answer is B option, Arun Shourie. Which Indian organization won the Forward Faster Sustainability Award 2025 for its water resilience and conservation efforts? See the options. The answer to this would be A option, NTPC Limited. Which Indian chess player won the Tata Steel Masters Chess 2025 defeating D. Gukesh in the final? Very important question. D. Gukesh को हराया है, ठीक है? So answer to this would be C option, R. प्रज्ञानंदा। ओके, दिस इज द राइट आंसर। देखिए, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, इसको जरूर ध्यान से याद करिएगा। विच तमिल फिल्म वॉन द नेट पैक अवार्ड एट द इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल रॉटरडैम IFFR 2025? Is it Jai Bhim or Kuzangal or Bad Girl or Nasir? Answer to this question would be C option, Bad Girl. So the director Varsha Bharat's Bad Girl won the Network for the Promotion of Asian Cinema NetPAC Award at the International Film Festival Rotterdam IFFR 2025. देखो, छोटा सा सेशन था। ऑल द बेस्ट, पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए, जल्दी ही मिलेंगे। गॉड ब्लेस यू, थैंक यू।